Hello everyone. Today, we will draw an anchor. Take a pencil and ruler and draw a grid that is 2 squares wide and 3 squares tall. Draw 2 half ovals for the arm. 2 triangles for the flukes. 2 vertical lines for the shank. 2 circles for the eye. Draw a wide rounded rectangle for the stalk and add 2 small rounded rectangles on both sides. Draw a rope around the eye and winding around the shank. Add a small bulge under the arm. Take a black marker and trace your drawing. Make sure you don't draw the help lines. Round the corners of the flukes. Part of the rope is hidden behind the shank. Make one shape of the shank and stalk. Wait a moment for the ink to dry and erase the pencil lines. We can color the anchor dark blue and the rope beige. And voila! Our drawing is finished. Awesome job! Please like and subscribe for more fun drawing tutorials.